इस खबर के पेश करता है अरबियन जूसेस एंड सलाड्स।
एमएलसी आज़ाद उम्मीदवार एडवोकेट सैयद फरीदुद्दीन साहब की वकाला एडवोकेट से मुलाकात। एडवोकेट सैयद फरीदुद्दीन साहब हैदराबाद ग्रेजुएट एमएलसी उम्मीदवार महबूबनगर रंगारेड्डी ने आज सिटी सिविल कोर्ट्स हैदराबाद तेलंगाना के वकाला एडवोकेट से मुलाकात करते हुए कहा कि ग्रेजुएट्स अपने वोट और अपनी नुमाइंदगी की अहमियत को समझे। इन्होंने कहा कि इन्हें वोट देकर कामयाब करें। इस मौके पर इन्होंने इनका बैलेट पेपर नंबर 87 पर वोट देकर कामयाब करने की दरख्वास्त की। इस मौके पर वक्फ बोर्ड मेंबर वहीद अहमद व एडवोकेट जावेद साहब से मुलाकात की। एचएन न्यूज़ चैनल से बात करते हुए इस सिलसिले से जुड़ी मज़ीद तफसीलात बताई। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, एचएन न्यूज़।
Total 13 advocates are contesting and MLCs. No, 13 advocates total. Only my speech. Definitely you will know what for I am standing. 30 years I have never manifesto hai tera please.
Dear graduates and my respected advocates, I stand here as an MLC candidate. My serial number is 87. I came here not for my own sake. I repeated these words because I have never seen previous MLCs who never come to rescue for the appointments and problems of education development. The government is spending not less than 2% only GDP. I try to find out some solutions to increase the GDP funding for educational development. So I request honorable advocates and honorable graduates to give me a chance so that I can give best of my services to support government, to guide government to improve fund for national, for development of education, so that we can improve, decrease the poverty line, and as a welfare state, democratic state, this election I assume that this election holds many feasibilities. That my suggestion, please don't waste and vote and not to be divided and waste of going votes. Please support a person. You must select it before you elect. My sincere and affordable request to all graduates and advocates to select a person who will guide government and do best of his own services for the development of education, promotions of education, promotion of SI posts and all the problems he should handle. Dear graduates, my serial number is 87. I sincerely request that I filed a nomination on the serial number of 2. First day I filed the nomination, but according to the alphabetical order, my name has been gone to 87. So please, on the last page, maybe it is 87. Please elect Sayyid Fariduddin, 87 serial number, sir. Thank you very much once again.
हमारे एचएन न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस आते रहे वक्त पर।